Hello all, today I'm going to talk about fixed range volume profile and how to use in a ranging environment. So let's get started. The first step is choose the range where the coin is trading. Right now I am on the Ethereum USDT chart on a 4 hour, and as you can see from 10th of May the price had been ranging till today's date. So what I do, I first go to the indicator, then the built-in volume profile and the fixed range. I choose the start of the range till the end of the range. So this is what the fixed range volume profile looks like. The Let me show you the setting which I use for the cryptocurrency. If I double click on this, the input row size I use as 188, and volume area value area volume is equal to 70. What does this 70 means? The 70 means out of the total traded volume, the 70% of the volume has occurred between the 45-44 till the 4000 range. So this is a 70% of the volume occur, and the 30% volume occur in the blue region, which are marked above the value area high and below the value area low. So now the second step is the mark the value area high, value area low, and the point of control. This region it's called as value area high. I will mark this as a value area high. This is a point of control. I will mark this as a point of control, and this region it's called as value area low. Okay, so now we are in this trading range environment, and the rule of thumb we have to keep in mind that in a ranging environment, if price get the acceptance below the value area high, then the price always rotate to the point of control. If price get acceptance below the point of control, then the price will rotate to the value area low. So let's see with the example. Now what happens here, at the value area high, price got the support first time, second times, then it broke through. Now we got price got acceptance below the value area high, and it rotated to the point of control. Now it broke through the point of control. The point of control were acting as a resistance here, and again price went to the value area low. Now value area low act as a support. Again price went to the point of control. Then again price came back to the value area low. Then again price went to the value area high straight, and from the value area high to the value area low. See how the level has been respected. So in this trading ranging environment, you can trade around this region. Let's say price is here. Now what we can do, you can take the short position if price got the acceptance below the value area high, and you can trade till the point of control or the value area low. Then the another trading idea can be you can take the long position at the value area low here and keep a stop loss below the value area low and target to the point of control or to the value area high. Generally what I do, I take the trade at the value area low, and once price rotate to the point of control, I move my stop at the break even, and I book 25 or 50% here and keep the rest for the target at the value area high. I hope this concept is clear. Thanks a lot for watching.